everyone, today I'm going to be covering ratio. So I've already done ratio simplified. This is how to work out ratios now. So if we're dividing £700 into the ratio of 5 to 3 to 2, the first thing I need to do is add these numbers up. So that comes to 10, which means I have got 10 portions altogether. Ratio's all about sharing. So what I always do to remind me is write a little box and separate that into 10 parts. It's not very even, that. Sorry. But we need to find out how much one part is worth. So to do that, I'm now going to use this number 10. So we divide that 700 by 10. So 10 does not go into 7, and remember then we carry that 7 across. So 10 goes into 70 7 times, and 10 does not go into 0. So I now know that each one of these is worth 70. And just to check, 70 times 10 is 700, so I know I'm right. I'm going to go back to my ratios now. We need to work it out. So 5 lots of 70. So what we do is we times 70 by 5. Okay, so 0 5s are 0 and 7 5s then, which is 35. So that's 350. Then I need to find out how much the 3 is worth, so times 70 by 3. So 3 noughts are 0 and 3 7s are 21. And then the next lot, 70 times by 2. Okay, 7 2s are 14. So I know that now the ratio of 5 to 3 to 2 is 350, 200 to 210 to 140. Let's move on to the second one then. Okay, Josh and Emily share 30 bonbons in the ratio of 3 to 2. How many bonbons each do they have? Well, let's find out. Oh, sorry. Okay. So I know I've got that number 30, but remember we need to add these two, and that'll give us 5. So what I need to do now is divide that 30 by 5. So 5 doesn't go into the 3, so that 3 gets carried over, and then 5 goes into 30 6 times. So remember our chocolate box. Okay, so we've got 5 shares this time, and 1 is worth 6. 6 times 5 is 30, so I know I'm right. So let's go back to this ratio. Josh and Emily. I always write this on the top to remind me who gets what share, because otherwise you might get confused. Further down the line, they will just ask for Josh or Emily. Just keeps you on track a little bit. So now let's go back. So Josh has 3 shares, so it's 6 times 3, which we know is 18. And then Emily is 2 times 6, which is 12. So the answer is Josh has 18 sweets, and poor old Emily only has 12. And that's how we work out ratio. Thank you for listening, and I shall update more videos shortly.